We've had quite the journey getting here. What, 20 hours of driving on the freeway? Now we can finally get into the good stuff. So it's the beginning of the Morrison Jeep Trail. Obviously we're in northern Wyoming. A lot of nasty switchbacks, pretty dangerous even in the dry season, but we've had a lot of inclement weather. Got our tires aired down, so we should get plenty of traction there. Definitely keep your bear spray on you. This is where they do relocate all the trouble bears from Yellowstone. So we might see some bad apples, might see some wolves howling at night, which would be pretty fun, pretty cool to experience. Hey, let's just go have some fun.
Fun going up this.
Better here.
Some nice rocks.
Funny is like that's the trail up there.
Wow.
I think.
Yeah, right there, and then it does come back up there.
It may be engaging. I can't tell yet. We'll just run it open. There's just an internal leak on the air locker inside the third member where it ties in. So when I engage it, it's blowing out of the breather line on the rear diff. So we're just gonna have to run it without a locker. All right. We'll be all right.
I got front and rear. Don't worry, I got you.
Lockers do come in handy when they work.
Tyler's making it pretty good.
Yeah, he's throwing some onion in it.
Yeah, giving it a little more pedal. Sean, now engage that front locker. And okay, come in towards me. Okay, give it a little.
All right, you're up. There you go. On the gas.
Woo! I think we made that harder than it had to be.
You think?
All right, let's get these things back up there and get on the road.
I don't need them.
Pretty good. That took some bronze paint with it. Gosh, we've gone up high fast. It's pretty cool.
They're starting to soften up a little.
A little bit. Oh wow. Jeez. It's like straight out of like a painting or something.
Wow.
Still going.
Wow, that's a canyon. Big country.
You ready for this? All right, it's Roby. Anybody? Eggnog?
Yeah, I need to figure that out. Okay.
I saw that. And I'm like, I like how we're passing eggnog around. Oh, look at that product placement.
Delicious.
Okay, so you want to give me a big outline? All right, fire pit's ready. A little chilly.
I can feel the ground is freezing underneath our feet.
Yeah.